In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide hidden album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then if you would like to hide some photo from our camera roll, we can just long press on it, tap at hide, and then hide photo. What that will do, that will move the photo from our main photo library to the hidden album. To find the hidden album, go to Albums, scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find hidden album. However, even though this album is hidden, it is showing here, so someone can get access to it just by tapping on it. That's where we can find all our hidden photos, and there is two options how we can easily make this album more secure or more private. To do that, we need to go to Settings and then scroll down until we find Photos. So guys, on Photos, first of all, we can activate the option which is called Use Face ID. Just tap at this button to turn it on, and what that will do, that will lock that hidden album, and now it is showing that log icon next to it and also next to a recently deleted album, which means that now Face ID is required to get access to both of these albums. So now even if someone takes our device in hand and try to get access to hidden album, they will be asked to use Face ID to get into it. However, there is one more cool feature. Right from here, from Photo Settings, we can also hide hidden album even from Photos app. To do that, just turn off the option which is called Show Hidden Album. Just tap at this toggle, and then if we go back to Photos and then Albums, we can find that there is no longer hidden album showing here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.